In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed searching on Hacoo app. So what you want to do over here, in case you try to search for something, let's say like for Nike or something, and you get no results found, or you even get an error for failed searching, what you can try doing is the following. So the first and the easiest thing is to simply close down the app, and then you want to make sure you can locate the app on your phone. For me, it's over here. You want to hold it down and press that I button on top of it to open up its settings. In here, you want to go to the very bottom. Over here, as you can see, it says clear data. So you want to press clear data, and then you want to clear the cache. So press clear cache and then confirm. Okay, and that's the first thing you can do. If your searching is still failing after this, you can even try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it yet again. However, if that still didn't work and you made sure you are logged in, so over here you are logged into your account, it says your username and password and ID, and then if that's the case and your search still isn't working, what you should do is go to the three dots top right, go into terms and policies, and then you want to go over here where it says about Hacoo at the very top. Scroll down, and there it says if you have any questions, please feel free to email us. The email address is service@hacoo.app. What you want to do is simply email them and tell them your search is failing, and they will come back to you hopefully very quickly, and they will tell you what to do and what bugs their app is currently experiencing and what actions you can take to fix that issue. So that's pretty much all you can do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.